guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and welcome to day 2 for our sneak peeks for our brand new box of the month for February. Can't believe it's February already. Yesterday we revealed the stamp sets, Meet Me in Wonderland, and I colored up all the images. Super cute stamp set. And now we are going to play around with the brand new Meet Me in Wonderland paper, Frou Frou Designs, and this is the coordinating ephemera, and we are going to dig into this beautiful paper, and then tomorrow we're going to reveal another stamp set that's going to go with this collection that you can use with this paper. So we've got some hearts with different images from all the images inside the hearts, a beautiful scripty page, and then this paisley design. We've got some of the icons from the movie. So we've got some like beiges and golds for your background. Super, super cute. Some more subtle prints and more bold prints. We've got the blue. We've got a beige gold color background and a blue background. Really pretty, and there's a nice kind of like a paisley looking design with some script behind it. So you get 4 of each design in this pack of paper. The paper is really nice, very nice weight to the paper. We've got the coordinating ephemera. So let me put those all out for you so you can see what's in this pack. So we've got a cupcake that says Eat Me. We've got the bottle that says Drink Me. Here's a nice little border that would look really cute at the bottom of your card or scrapbook page. Here's a teacup, some cards. Could probably put that behind their teacup. We've got the Mad Hatter hat. We've got some keys. Here's another nice border. We've got the Alice in Wonderland dress. Here's some more cards. We've got the stopwatch. Here's another hat. And there's some larger pieces in here, so that it would make a great scrapbook layout, or how about in a journal or something like that. Here's a teacup, a dress, another teacup. Here's some more bottles that say Drink Me, another cupcake, a couple of more keys, a stopwatch and a smaller one, and then these clusters of roses. So really fun. So how many of you like Alice in Wonderland? Leave it in the comments down below. So do you like the Johnny Depp version, the Disney version? Which one is your favorite? So if you're not familiar with our box of the month, it comes out every month on the 1st. We can purchase it as a one-time purchase, or you can join the monthly club. To join the monthly club, you'll see a drop-down menu. You'll choose monthly for your frequency, and that will get you a 5% discount. It will also reserve your box every month, and it will automatically ship every 30 days. From the date you purchase. So we've got beautiful collections coming up. It'd be a great time to sign up for the box of the month. A few collections coming out that are not holiday related, so it'd be a great time to sign up and get something really cute and different and fun. So we've got the Alice in Wonderland collection, and then we've got a totally different collection for the second part of our box. So stick around and come back every day at 1 p.m. Central Time to see another peek. So let's go ahead and make a card using the paper and ephemera, and I might even do one with the images here. If not, I'm definitely going to do one for the hop. We also provide an inspiration hop on the 1st, and that's at 9 a.m. Central, the same time as the release day. The design team and I do some projects to give you some inspiration and ideas on what to do with the products from the box. I think this is a gorgeous page. I think I really want to use this page. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then how about this page? It's more subtle. Pair it up with that. Okay, so what I've done is I just cut this panel down so that it shows just a bit of the pattern. We'll have the scripty style on this side. So I'm going to glue that down. I'm bringing in a stamp from tomorrow's reveal. So we are going to have a nice sentiment here. We're going to put that right here. And you are able to stamp on our paper. It is printed on uncoated paper. So you can stamp the VersaFine Claire in Nocturne works very well. So I'm going to go ahead, get some glue on the back of this, and then we will stamp out our sentiment. Now pop this into my MISTI. Put my panel over here so I know exactly where I want to stamp. Let's line up the sentiment. We're going to have our little images down here. So I think I want to bring up the sentiment just a tiny bit. Okay, I'm going to do a light second coating here. Okay, so that looks great. Let's add some glue to this panel here so we can add that to our card base. Now I cut a thin strip, as thin as I can do it, and I thought that looked nice there. I should have done that before. Let's see, I'm going to have to cut this out with the die to get the right size because I can't really snip off the edge. But I think that looks good. We'll have our little images here, and I will ground those with the key. Like that. So I'm going to go cut this out. And now let's just pop this right on. And let's use some foam to pop up our images. So I am going to glue these together how I want them. Just add a little glue to the side here. And then we can do that with the key. And now we can turn it over and then add our foam tape. Okay, so let's just add our image down here. Put it off to the left, the center. Let's think about this. I think I'd like it right there. Okay, now I can dress it up with some gems. I'm going to use these little black gems that have adhesive on the back. So we can bring some black Oops, that one's brown. I accidentally pulled off the brown one, but that's okay. So we'll do brown and black. If I can get this one on there. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick and easy card. Meet me back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another peek. So tomorrow I will be doing another card with the stamp set and the new reveal. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.